Here's connecting the HISENSE ROKU TV with the Philips Crystal HD antenna. So if you have a HISENSE ROKU TV, this is what you have, and at the back you have the antenna slot or the antenna connector. So if you want to connect and get the free channels, the local channels, you are able to use this Philips HD Crystal HD and amplified antenna. This is a Target purchase, and it comes with the connector, which I've just connected right now. And this is the back of your Hisense smart TV, and this is the Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna. It comes with a power cord and the connector to your TV antenna slot at the back. The antenna has a power slot there, so you can take it off and on, and very easy setup. Just make sure to connect that power cord before you start scanning your TV for channels. And then once you've connected that power on, check that you are correctly connected with any TV. And for this TV, this is the Hisense ROKU TV. Again, that's the power cord. It comes with your purchase. And in your Hisense smart TV, you will go to settings so you can scan the channels. So use the remote, go to the settings. Then from the settings, you will have options to choose from. You have, and you scroll down to where you go to TV inputs and select that one. And from there, you should have an option to choose live TV. There it is, live TV. From the live TV, you will then click on it, and it's gonna scan. So it says set up live TV. To watch live TV, you'll need to scan for channels. Choose your TV source to get started. So since we are trying to get channels through the antenna, that's what it is. So I'm not gonna make it fast for the scanning of the channels, so you know how many minutes exactly it takes to scan the channels. So again, it does not scan if you don't plug in your antenna. So this is the Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna, and it is downloading or searching or scanning for channels right now. And then at the very end, it will tell you. So with this one, with the Hisense TV, we found 21 channels. And then after that, you can view the guide. You can manage the channels, set up live TV, pause, or you can just watch live TV right away. So for the Hisense Roku TV, it will give you messages that since this smart TVs has some free channels as well, it will add up to the free channels. So it's gonna give you a message that you'll get more free TV. So if you don't have internet and you have a smart TV, you still are able to watch live TV using the Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna. You get a bunch of channels. I'm just quickly showing um, channels that I found. You do have a TV guide. And here, again, when you want to watch again, you don't have to scan. You just have to go to the live TV channel guide. And you can watch anytime as long as you have your antenna plugged in and connected to your HISENSE Roku TV. Here's the overview of the channels that you will find. It will give you the dates and the time of programs. And that's it.